All right, we're on day number 14 of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. As you can see, I've got all the pieces laid out that we've done so far together. You can go back and see how each one of these went together, and we've got our extra pile of pieces right there that is starting to accumulate. So let's go ahead and go on to number 14. And I'm definitely not an expert, but I like to, I enjoy Lego. It's definitely something that is fun for me to do here. All right, so we've got this guy, and then we've got this guy here. Then looks like, yeah, these go like this. And then flat side is going to go like this, like that. Be nice if we could kind of see what some of these pieces are, but oh well. All right, that's definitely not that one. All right, so that's there. This is going to go like this. And then we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side. Like that. It's coming together. And then it looks like maybe like that. Maybe like these go like that. That doesn't look right, does it? I guess that is the way it's going. All right, so this is going like that, and like that. And then this is going to go on top of that. And then one of these is going to go here. Then this is going to go on top of that. Okay, and then this is going to go like this. 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 And we're coming together here, coming to an end. All right, and then it looks like we've got this and then this. I think we're done. Okay, that's the ship. What do you think so far? It's coming together. Awesome. And I'm looking like we've got 4 extra pieces in that one. Pieces are coming together. All right. So that was day number 14. We're going to go ahead and do day number 15, obviously, tomorrow.